Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can archive issues and sub-issues or items in your projects on GitHub in 2026. So let us dive into this. Navigate to your account on GitHub, click into these three lines in the top left and select projects. Next, navigate to one of your projects inside your repository. And what you want to do from here, guys, is simply select the given issue from one of your views. You may go with a board view or with a list view, and you will find the archive button. Let me just show you where you can find it. So open up the issue, and what you want to do is click into these three dots here, and you can archive the given issue inside your project. Now, if you'd like to save it in another project, you will need to transfer the issue first, but you can archive it from here. Simply click into this button, and after that confirm, and that is going to move it to your project's archive. And if you'd like to access the archive, guys, you will need to head back to your overview of projects, and from there, for example, click into the given project. And from there, guys, what you want to do is see the archived items by clicking into these three dots in the top right. And from here you can, I don't know, for example, delete it from the archived section, or unarchive it, or restore it, and basically move it back to your project. So if I head back, you will see that the item has been successfully restored. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.